channel. In today's video I'll show you a gun massager review. So it's a QTH gun massager. It's from Amazon. So in case you guys are looking for a gun massager, then definitely this review will help you. In previously also I have shown this QTH gun massager, but this is the revised one which has like more power. So let's open it and see how this gun massager looks. So this is the packaging, you can see. Let's open this box and see how this massager looks. Wow. This is the box, you can see. This looks very premium. Look at the packaging, this box. Like a really great quality. Everything looks very perfect. And it's a handle. And there is a zipper, you can see. So you can carry it like everywhere, wherever you want. This is the manual book, user manual book, where you can find all the stuff. And this is the bone massager and all this stuff, all this head I got. These are the stuffs I got. So this is the massager, you can see. It feels like very premium quality. You can see this good, like a graphite color, which I really like, graphite and black. And here is the some like touch screen, and you can see all these details about this charging and all this stuff. And this is where you can put all these heads like this way, and this is the charger. So let's connect it to the power and we'll see how it works. It's a pretty good length. So guys, so I just connect it to the power, and here you can see the turn on and turn off switch. So I turn on. Here is the turn on part. You can plug it like this way. Really easy, not that difficult. Turn on, turn off, and turn on. So after turning on, you can see, and here is the touch screen. So it's 95%. You can. So I am using this head. So let's using this head. Here I don't have to connect it power because I have already like 95% charge. So let's use it. So hit one means it's like one speed. You can see this is speed 1. Oh wow, it feels really good. This is only one and I feel really great. I don't even need the second one. Now 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And this one is like really, and this has like a the textured surface which is like really great to massage. This one is like a ball head, so let's try it. So let's use this one. So you can see the design. This is like a, this is not like a, I can say it's like a really hard plastic. It's like a soft kind of like a silicone material, or rubber, maybe rubber, with this textured surface. So let's try this one. So one, you can see. So this one is like a intensity 1. You can see this is intensity 1. You can feel all this. Oh wow. Like 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. You can see the vibration. So let's use the ball head. This one is like a kind of like a, this is like a, I can say it's like a plastic. It's like a I think it's like a hard foam which like feels soft, but not like plastic, not hard, because you can see it's like a, you can raise. So let's use this one and open. So let me touch one. Oh, it feels really good. Oh my god, oh my god, it's really good. Oh so you can see guys, This is 20 speed. How powerful it is, you can see. Quickly it will relieve all your pain because it's like a really powerful. Wow, great one. This one is like this way, you can see the right. This is how one. Oh wow, this is like a really great one. This is only intensity 1, and for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So guys, you can see 20 speed. You can see the speed. It's like really powerful, very powerful. So if you want, like, if you have any back pain, definitely it will help you immediately. It's like a really great one. I can use this Y one. So this is how the Y look. 1. This is speed 1. 13, 14, 16, 17, 18. You can see the intensity. Oh, it feels really great. Wow. So next one is this one. So this is only one. This is the one. Very powerful. Oh wow, it feels really great. See, the intensity of this like massager is like really great, and it's like very powerful, and to hold also it's like a really easy to hold, and the operation is also really easy. The charge stay also really long time. To carry is also, it's like a very easy because they gave like a very nice carry box, so you can also, for your travel also, you can carry this one. So if you are looking for a great gone massager, then definitely this one you can try. This one, this is like a really great one. I'll put the link in the description box so you can check there. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like it, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.